be leader, feel we new leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, yeah.
Welcome to another episode of Our Leader on the Move. Our leader, Comrade Peter Phillips, was on the move throughout the party's 79th annual conference, his first as party president. He set the objectives in returning to the four-day format for conference, and the general secretary and the planning team delivered. The opening night celebrated the best of our culture with NDTC and ASHE and reinforcing the party's commitment to regional development. As Mayor Mortley said, we are better together. PNP delegates also fully engaged in policy discussions in small group workshops on critical national issues, as well as developing best practices for group rebuilding.
So firstly, let me say that the participants in the group were first of all very pleased at the format which we adopted today. They felt it gave them an opportunity to be heard and to feel that they are a part of the process of planning to be the next government in Jamaica.
We are going to, in the next 2 weeks, we are going to put this information together. We are going to ensure that it is shared with the various commissions and opposition spokespersons.
Then the public session was electric as thousands and thousands of comrades rolled into the national arena on Sunday to hear comrade leaders charge to them and the commitment to the country.
Today, as President of the People's National Party, the mission of this great party under my leadership must be to build a more inclusive Jamaica that works for all the people of Jamaica and not just for a few.
Thanks for watching Our Leader on the Move. Please remember to follow Peter Phillips via his social media sites.